kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fattoush salad that is easy to make, very delicious, and at our place you can never have enough. For this recipe I'm going to use 2 romaine hearts, a half a cup of tomatoes, I'm using cherry today, 2 Lebanese cucumbers, 4 to 5 radishes, a half a red onion, 1 red pepper. You can use a yellow pepper if you have one. Today I only have a red one, so I'll use red. Some mint, about half a cup. I have a bunch of parsley. I like to prepare my own pita chips, so I'm going to show you how to do that too today. I have a couple of pitas here that we purchased for another dish. So I have 2 leftover pitas. And here I have about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed garlic, and salt and pepper, just kind of mixed together. And then for the dressing you will need extra virgin olive oil, the juice from a couple of lemons, salt about half a teaspoon, pepper half a teaspoon, and 2 cloves of garlic. I also have some sumac here, which I will use at the end as the final step. So let's get started. So for the pita chips, we're going to separate the pitas just like this, and then we'll spread the oil mix on it quickly. So we'll just generously spread it on. Using a pair of kitchen scissors, cut the pitas into small pieces and line them on the tray. Now bake them in a 300 degrees preheated oven for 5 minutes per side. Since the chips are thin, be careful that they don't burn. So let's prepare the salad by chopping up the vegetables. Cut the lettuce in fairly large pieces. Next, cut the pepper. I like to leave them in big pieces as well, but you can make them smaller if you like. Slice the radishes fairly thin. Use a mandolin if you like. Today I'm just going to use a knife. Next, slice the cucumbers, and I like to keep them in half moons and fairly large. Next, chop the tomatoes, quarter them if they're big, and leave them in halves if they're small. Next, slice the red onion. I'm not a fan of onions, so I don't use a lot of it, but you can use more or less as you prefer. And then let's chop the herbs. For the parsley, I like to remove the stalks, as I find that they are very hard to digest. So then once the stalks are removed, finally chop them as well. Now let's prepare our dressing. I'm going to squeeze the lemons and add them to a small blender. Use a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice with 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper, and give it a good whisk on the blender. This is what the dressing should look like when it's all blended up. Now that our pita chips are ready, the dressing is ready, and we have chopped all our vegetables, it's time to assemble the salad. Okay, so here is all your vegetables. We're going to just give it a good toss here. We'll add our pita chips to the salad. The more the better. We like them a lot. And then finally we sprinkle the sumac over the salad. Our dressing goes over. Give it a nice toss. And there you have it. Super easy, very delicious, and there will not be any left, at least not at our place. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Time for the taste test. the most important part. Ugh, need to get some chips in there, but I missed them all. Oh my gosh, so good. Wow. You must try this. It is delicious. It is so amazing. And the pita chips are the best part. Honestly, I don't know what you guys are doing if you're not making this. You must try it now.